Hi there! Today we'll be making a whimsical fairy lantern. For this project, you'll need a clean jar with a lid, a fairy cutout, a craft knife or a pair of scissors, Mod Podge, white acrylic paint, some glitter. White or translucent will give you the best shimmer. A paintbrush, an LED tea light, flowers and greenery, a length of twine, enough to wrap around the top of your jar, and some moss. You can also use a hot glue gun if you own one, but it's not necessary for this project. Begin by mixing your acrylic paint and some water to make a milky wash. You'll only need about an ounce of water. Give it a good stir with your paintbrush. Pour this mixture into your clean jar. Replace the lid and close. Swirl and swish it around, coating the inside of your jar. When satisfied, pour out your paint wash and set your jar aside to dry. If needed, add a second coat of paint wash after the first coat has dried. Remember, you don't want your paint to be too opaque, otherwise you might not be able to see your fairy. While you wait for your jar to dry, use your craft knife or scissors to cut out your fairy silhouette. Go slow to avoid ripping your paper. When your jar is completely dry, brush some of the Mod Podge on top of your fairy silhouette so you can paste it on the inside of your jar. Slide your fairy cutout into your jar and be careful as you position it to avoid any accidental ripping. Blob a small amount of Mod Podge at the bottom of your jar and glue about half of your moss at the bottom. Use the wooden end of your paintbrush to press lightly onto the moss. Replace the lid onto your jar and brush a thin layer of Mod Podge on the outside of your jar and sprinkle on some glitter. When ready, wrap the length of twine around the mouth of the jar a couple of times and tie a bow. If you are not using a hot glue gun, tuck your flowers and leaves into the twine as you wrap it. If you are using a hot glue gun, carefully snip and glue the flowers along the twine. Now, turn on your LED tea light, drop it inside your jar, and use the rest of your Mod Podge to coat the top of your lid. Now, let's see how it looks. You can increase the intensity by adding extra lights into your jar. You can also add a string of battery-powered fairy lights inside your jars for a different effect. Thank you for joining me for this project. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out the Fall Reading Matters for the next craft session.